If you look holistically, though, there are many people out there who've made it work without it. And so, looking at Tori Trades, she uses just trend lines of support and resistance. It says porn resistance. I don't know. Maybe that's a new form. But when I first started, I started with Break the Cycle FX with Deontay Section. He was very indicator based. Actually, no, when I first started, it was with IML. iMarkets Live, Smart Money. I was like, okay, I want to learn this thing. Somebody was like, hey, come on over to IML. I'm like, okay, cool. I pay my little fee, my entrance, whatever, get in. And before I even got to learn anything, they were pretty much like, hey, go get friends and family to join this as well. I'm like, I don't even know if this works. How can I sell this to my friends and family and say that it works when I don't even know? So I didn't like that very much. But in the process, I met Deontay Section, who runs Break the Cycle FX. As far as I remember, very, very indicator based, very indicator based, but it works. He makes it work, as well as there's many other people in there that make it work for him.